Alright family, so we get into it like it's nothing to it. If you have your setup all together, we're gonna start with the first step, sterilizing the area. While that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and get the dosage out. I still have some in my old one, so
wake up thinking, God, I got
I'm
another
gonna
day
get the
of
rest
life.
out and then put it into the new
Could have lost it all, plenty of times. Insomnia kept me up most nights. Remember the days I ain't have a pot to piss in. House hopping, stomach growling, I'm just reminiscing. Ain't have $1, but I had a dream I was chasing. The vision was blurry, but my faith kept me focused on the chicken. People came around when it was good, but when I fell, they always went missing. Told myself this gotta be a solo mission. See, God gave me talent, and I can't waste it if I just listen. Third eye opened, I'ma tell you everything I witnessed. Seen the people closest to me fold. Threw dirt on my name, believing lies from a hoe. Asking how I did it, I tell them God and they laugh like it's a joke. I said just grind by any means, eventually it'll show. Manifest your dreams, the determination will help you grow. Instead they want a handout, like I got the keys to help them float. Flew to a different city, and I still managed to stay afloat. Now a stranger's giving me my flowers, saying I'm the next goat.
Right now it should be dry.
Poetry ain't dead, I just had to let them know. I slept for a while, just hibernating on the flows. But I'ma let it all out for the ones still seeking hope. This is the revenge of a dreamer, a warrior or the black sheep kicking in the fucking dough. Whatever you wanna label it, just remember I got it out the mud. And when I die, make sure my tombstone says, he did it for the ones no longer breathing, and those seeking hope. Yeah, he did it for the ones no longer breathing, and those still seeking hope. I'd rather give someone else a shot than to give her another chance to hurt me again. They say to forgive and forget, but who do you side with when common sense is at war with emotion?
20 to 30 seconds.
Like space is the only thing she's promoting. Maybe in hopes that she'll find the silver lining in all the commotion. Little does she know the mind games have you focused.
Leakage. It's not blood.
Because the last time she tried playing, you were a different lotus. Unknowingly watering down the love you were trying to show her.
It's okay, I left it in for 20 seconds.
Now all that's left is the memories from a Polaroid without a photographer. Like the angel of memory lane said, fuck a chauffeur. She wanted to remind me of a love I once couldn't get over. Like, look how far we came and you haven't let me down. Instead, you pushed your limits further. I know I said I wouldn't love again, but you showed me how to love myself.
And that's
If
it,
the
family.
universe decides to
Easy
bring it back,
video.
then I'll tell
Easy
you all of
peasy,
this
lemon
myself.
squeezy. Alright, thank you for tuning
This
in.
here is a reminder of the greatest pain I
we
ever felt.
officially Got
Because
11 months down
love is the
as
greatest
of
blessing and
yesterday,
curse within itself.
24th. So you know the vibes.
And in that one line,
For
everything
the
makes
1
sense
year,
with how
I
it
got
played
something
out.
special coming for y'all. So
But I can
stay
only
tuned
blame
for that
myself.
next month. Of course, after 420. But other than that, I got a beard growth update coming for y'all too. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay safe, and as always,